Pork Afritada, a very classic Filipino dish. Hello everybody! Welcome back to my channel, Cooking Ina Siargao. In this video, I am going to share my version making pork afritada. So we're going to make afritada together, mga cooking ina and everyone. And the ingredients we need in this recipe are pork. I have pork here, it's already sliced like this big of a slice, onion, garlic, carrots, potato, tomato sauce, green pepper, red pepper, cashew nuts, and ground black pepper, salt as needed, and soya sauce, and of course, cooking oil. So now mga cooking ina, let's start making our pork afritada. We have wok here. We need to add cooking oil, just little bit of cooking oil. And we're going to add our onion. Gisa our onion, mga cooking ina. Then our garlic. Then we're going to add our pork. We do like this, mga cooking ina. And now mga cooking ina, we're going to add our soya sauce. I like to use this soya sauce. It's a premium light soy sauce. It's Japanese soya sauce. I like it to use because it's tasty, mga cooking ina. So we're going to add just estimate mga cooking ina. It's depend on your taste, the salty. And we're going to mix. It smells good. We're going to let it steam our pork for like 10 minutes, mga cooking ina. Now mga cooking ina, after we let steam our pork, we're going to check mga cooking ina. Oy, look at that one. Oy, it smells good. This soya sauce mga cooking ina, it's very good smell. And then it's tasty. So in this mga cooking ina, we're going to add our ground black pepper. We do like this. So then we mix again. It's very good smell. And the soya sauce mga cooking ina, you can use also the one we are always using in Philippines, like Salver's one. I have that one too, but I like to use this soya sauce. It's very good. Now mga cooking ina, we're going to check again. Oy, look mga cooking ina. It smells good. And we're going to add our potato. We do like this. Then we mix. We need to add first our potato to all of our ingredients because potato is very hard. So we need to cook our potato. So in this mga cooking ina, we're going to let it cook our potato. And now mga cooking ina, we're going to check again our afritada, our pork afritada. Mga cooking ina, we're going to add our carrots. So, and then we mix well. If it's look like this na mga cooking ina, we're going to add our tomato sauce. We add our tomato sauce. So, then we're going to mix well. If our afritada, mga cooking ina, it's dry, you can add water too. Because my boys love sauce with the rice, I'm going to add more water. You estimate mga cooking ina like let's say 1 cup of water. And we mix well. So now we let it boil again mga cooking ina. So we cover it and we let it boil for like 3 minutes mga cooking ina. And now we're going to check again mga cooking ina. So we're going to open. Oy oy oy, look mga cooking ina. It looks good, our afritada. And we're going to add our cashew nuts mga cooking ina. So then we mix again. And we're going to add our red bell pepper, our paprika, and the green one. So then we mix mga cooking ina. Mga cooking ina, our pork afritada is ready. Look, mga cooking ina, it's good. And we're going to try first before we're going to cook our stove. If we need more salt or no. Oy, oy, very good. It's very good, mga cooking ina. Oy, oy, oy. Now we're going to plate our afritada. I'm going to open na mga cooking ina because we're going to plate our afritada. It's ready. So, and now look mga cooking ina, our pork afritada. It smells good and yummy. We're going to try mga cooking ina. So we're going to try. Look, we're so good. Very good. It's very lamig mga cooking ina. I hope you will cook this recipe as well for your family. And thank you very much for joining me here in my kitchen making this pork afritada. And also don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and press the bell button for your notification. Bye! God bless everyone!